And so as a woman loses as the estrogen level fluctuate or falls, you'll find that she will have issues like bone problems. We think about estrogen and the function, the crucial function that it plays in bone, right? It helps with bones. It support collagen and elastin. It helps to prevent things like vaginal dryness for a woman, right? And a lot of times we don't mention those things, because it's kind of in the know, which it should not be. But if you think about it, so it affects your skin, it affects your mental function, right? And if you think about testosterone, and I could just use those lighter ones, it's your mood. Progesterone, it's your mood, right? Progesterone is it kind of your circadian rhythm, which is your sleep rhythm, really rely a lot on your progesterone. And so you'll find that when your progesterone levels start fluctuating, you're losing sleep, right? Right? You're losing, so your anger, you tend to get anger spells, you tend to be, you're anxious, you're agitated, because you're not resting, you're having insomnia, and if you don't sleep, just think about it. So there's a lot of things that can go wrong with the fluctuating of the hormones, or like I said, just automatic dropping of the hormones. Because then again, if you think about all the things, just think about when I think of estrogen, I think lubrication as well, right? And you think about all the things that require lubrication in the body, not just vaginal dryness for those sexual encounters, but think about your skin itself, right? Those are like basic things, and so you might find that you're just like your skin, you just doesn't have that glow that you typically have. Your body really rely on the support from those your estrogen, your testosterone, and your progesterone, your hormones. So therefore, a number of things. Like I said, when you think about the brain function, think about the brain function in its all essence, right? And every single one of those affects the brain function. So I'm using the estrogen, the testosterone, the progesterone, right? They all affect the brain function, right? And so when you lose those, then you are exposed to not just the agitation, but you're, like I said, insomnia, you're moving into, the realms of anxiety, depression. So we could go on. The fatigue, the muscle fatigue, because they also support the muscles. So there are myriad symptoms and varying symptoms, right? So everyone does not necessarily have the same symptoms. Others, some women have a certain subset of symptoms, another might have other symptoms, but there are myriad symptoms that could really take place with these levels fluctuating or leveling off.